Hello everyone, my name is Manu.
My name is Manut.
We study at Beyond Education School. Today I will be talking about the conversation. Hello Manut,
Hello Manu.
what do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
When do you go to work?
I go to work at 7 a.m.
What activity do you enjoy after work?
I like reading, watching TV, or spending time with friends.
How do you travel to work?
I usually take the bus or walk.
What do you eat for lunch?
I have sandwich, fruit, or sometimes less flour.
What time do you finish your work?
I finish around 7 or 8 the evening.
What habit do you have?
I drawing, playing sport, or listening to music.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 or 11 at night.
How do you relax on the weekend?
I relax by spending time outdoor watching movie or visiting friends.
Thank you. Goodbye.